What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show my new invention. Look at this. It looks like a car steering, but I called it two wheels because it got two wheels and got two motors. So basically, the concept is that two motors will gonna power up the two wheels to move. You know, this motor got way better torque than this motor. You know what is torque? The ability to move a thing. And this motor is made in Malaysia. This one is the standard motor, regular ones, usually in RC cars or toys or something. So I'm gonna do is to move one vehicle, one side, you know, one side of it. So let's begin. So I'm using the same power bank. So first one is this black one. Look at it. It just make a circle around it. Now time for this one, silver one. Look at it. Okay, I just need to tell you about what is happening here. So basically, when this first wheel moves, then the second one also. There's a ball bearing in it. So when the motor rotates, the first wheel, second wheel also rotates, and when it stops, it keeps on going. So it's kind of cool thing in this lockdown time. So I'm gonna do it again. Look at the both motors are moving at very high speed. Look at it. Look at what just happened. I'm gonna shut it off first. You see that? It was so at high speed that the wheel come off from it, the motor, and just go away. And that's a cool thing, for a person like me will always enjoy it. So in my previous video, or should I say past video, I don't know, past second or past third video, I just show that how much a motor can hold weight. So the motor can hold a very high weight. I put this one and third piece. I know that. Or a one motor, a regular motor. Then I just power it up and it was still spinning. So that's it for it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's all.